Hello my dear creative, it's Olga Saragina here and welcome to this short tutorial on positive and negative space in drawing. It is an interesting drawing exercise, drawing hack, life hack, which can help you to draw complicated objects like Eames chair, for example, as you can see here. And I love to recommend to my students, especially beginners in drawing, to use this trick, this technique to help with their drawing practice, with their progress. All right, so this green space is considered to be negative in drawing, and this white space is considered to be positive, and it has nothing to do with good or bad. It's just terminology. So positive space, it's the object itself, the space which is taken by the object, and the negative space is the space around the object. So what I'm going to do now is to draw the same size as the green rectangular to the left hand side, and I'm going to focus on the negative space. So imagine now that we don't have this chair, we focus only on the shape around this chair. You can even close the chair itself, so you can print this image from the PDF presentation or try to mimic this from the video as well. So I'm focusing only on the green silhouette. It reminds me a profile of a gnome, some funny personage, some funny animated personage. It can be anything. It can be like an elephant for you, anything your imagination creates in your mind. And this is a wonderful tip to tap into your creative brain. This concept was described very well in the book, in the very famous book, Drawing on the Right Side of the Brain, and it teaches us to kind of turn off our analytical mind, our left brain, and tap into our creative mind. So we just simply focusing on negative space, and this is something very unusual for our brain to do here, because usually we perceive the positive space, the object itself, but we usually never focus on the space around this object, and this what will help us to mimic this shape, quite complicated shape of the Eames chair, very precisely. You will see it at the end that we did it almost an exact copy of that Eames chair, and that's incredible, I believe. Especially this trick works for beginners, but actually for advanced learners it's also can be a breakthrough. This approach gives you kind of a fresh perspective, a fresh view over different objects. I hope you enjoyed this exercise. Please let me know in the comments if you have already used it, or is it a new concept for you. And of course, if you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you would love to dive deeper into drawing Eames chair, please check out the link to my online furniture course to learn more about it and draw this chair with me.